Intellectual property monitoring services versus IP law firms. Which one is better for brand protection? Most brand owners assume that their IP law firm is enough to protect trademarks, patents, and copyrights. The surprising truth is that IP monitoring services can catch infringements early, often faster than traditional law firm oversight alone. IP law firms provide legal advice, draft registrations, and enforce rights through cease and desist letters or litigation, are essential when a serious infringement arises, especially if it involves international enforcement or complex licensing issues. However, law firms usually act reactively after a potential violation is identified, meaning infringements can continue unnoticed for months, causing reputational or financial harm. IP monitoring services, on the other hand, proactively track global databases, online marketplaces, domain registrations, and social media channels to identify potential infringements in real time. For example, a consumer goods company using a monitoring service might detect counterfeit listings on e-commerce platforms the day they appear, allowing swift action before losses accumulate. Many monitoring services also provide automated alerts, analytics, and reporting dashboards to support decision-making. The key difference is prevention versus enforcement. IP law firms excel at legal strategy and formal enforcement, while monitoring services detect risks early and provide actionable intelligence. Many companies combine both. Monitoring services identify threats quickly, and law firms take legal action when necessary. The takeaway is simple: for effective brand protection, proactive monitoring is critical to maintain market control and prevent revenue loss. Law firms remain vital for legal enforcement, but without monitoring, companies risk reacting too late. The surprising truth is that the fastest way to protect a brand is not just legal action, it's continuous vigilance powered by monitoring technology.